In this video, we are going to look at how to construct angles. So we're going to look at how to construct an acute angle and how to construct an obtuse angle. So we'll start with our acute angles. So these are angles that are smaller than 90 degrees, less than 90 degrees. And for our example, we're going to use 35 degrees. So the very first step you're going to take to construct an angle is we need to draw one of the rays here. So you can draw that line. Okay, so there's my ray. And to construct a 35-degree angle, I'm going to take these little crosshairs on my protractor, and I'm going to put them right on this point, and I want the horizontal line here to line up exactly along the ray that I've drawn. So I'm going to get that in position, and I'm making sure that my ray is right along the 0 line on my protractor. So I'm going to measure up 35 degrees. Now I'm starting where the 0 is, so I'm going to use the scale on the inside that goes 0, 10, 20, 30. That's the scale I'm using when I'm drawing from this side. So I'm going to go up from 0. I've got 30 here, and I'm going to move 5 more spots up to 35. So I'm going to put a little tick right where the 35 is. And then I'm going to use this edge to construct the second ray of my angle. Okay, so the angle I've just drawn is a 35-degree angle, which is acute. And it's a good idea to start labeling your angles right from the get-go. So this angle, we're going to label it A, B, C. So if we're talking about this angle, we can refer to it as angle ABC. Okay? And we can say that the measure of angle ABC is 35 degrees. So we'll do one more example. This time we're going to draw a larger angle, so an obtuse angle, which is an angle that is larger than 120 degrees. So we'll start with the same step, or sorry, larger than 90 degrees. We'll start with the same first step. We're going to draw our ray. And we're going to take the crosshairs of our protractor, these right here. We're going to line those up right on the end point, and then make sure that the 0 line on our protractor is right along that ray that we drew. So we're starting from the 0. We want to draw 120 degrees. So we're going to start from 0 and count up on that scale until we get to 120. Okay, that's where we're going to put our tick. And then we'll draw second ray. So this angle is 120 degrees. Now again, we're going to name our angle. So this time I'm going to name it CAT. Okay, so this is angle CAT. And we can say the measure of angle CAT equals 120 degrees. So there you have it. That is how you construct and name an angle.